Welcome back. President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi directed to develop flexible marketing policies for the Suez Canal in proportion with the current world economic circumstances and the repercussions of COVID-19 that would preserve its navigational movement rates. The president's directives came during his meeting on Sunday with Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli, Presidential Advisor for National and Strategic Projects Sharif Ismail, and Head of the Suez Canal Authority Osama Rabia. Presidential spokesman Ambassador Bassam Radi said that the meeting tackled the authority's recent activities as well as the new projects of the Public Authority of the Suez Canal Economic Zone. The Arab Parliament convened on Monday, headed by President Adel bin Abdulrahman Al Assoumi. During the session, the Arab Human Rights Monitoring Body was launched. A protocol was also signed between the Arab Parliament and the House of Representatives. In his speech, Al Assoumi said that one of the main tasks of the Arab Parliament is to protect human rights. He also expressed appreciation for Egypt for hosting the Palestinian dialogue to achieve reconciliation among different Palestinian parties. Also addressing the session was the chairperson of the High-Level Advisory Group on Counter-Terrorism at the Interparliamentary Union, IPU, Reynold Lopatka. Lopatka said that despite the defeat of the Daesh terrorist group, many families are still threatened by the group. He called for drawing plans to uproot extremism. Lopatka called on the Arab Parliament to help in efforts to combat terrorism in the region. Meanwhile, Parliament Speaker Councillor Hanafi Gibeli said that the Arab nation is in a turning point and is facing serious challenges to its security. He noted that the Palestinian cause remains a priority to the Arab world. Egypt reported on Sunday 608 new coronavirus infections, bringing the total number of cases to 178,677 people since the outbreak hit the country in mid-February last year. The Health Ministry also reported 55 new deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 10,353. The ministry added that the number of patients who recovered and were discharged from hospitals rose to 137,837 people. According to Italy, more than 111 million people have been reported to be infected by the novel coronavirus globally, and 2.5 million have died. Infections have been reported in more than 210 countries and territories since the first cases were identified in China in December 2019. More details.